Hey you guys, it's Bass Boy here, and it is time for another bike check. Hold on. Okay, so we're gonna do this white Haro bike. I got Kenda tires front and back. Whatever kind of freaking rim this is, I don't know what brand that is. It's a Weenie Man aluminum alloy rim. It's alright, kind of bent right now. Haro bars, Haro stem, ODI grips, ODI long neck grips, finagless, Haro frame, KMC half link chain, Haro chain wheel, Haro cranks, Haro pedals, Alien Nation black rim on the back, Haro seat, Sunram bolts. Let's flip it over here, and you can see the front, or the top of the seat. It's kind of jacked up. I need to get new seats for both my bikes. And if you've watched my channel before, you've probably seen a video that I updated last night about the kink bike that I just recently got from a kid. And that's about it. I think that's all that what's on my bike. I'm storing this away for a little bit because I'm going to be riding the kink. This is going to be my, unless I'm jumping, this is going to be my bike for jumping. The kink's going to be for just, this one I'm probably going to take out every once in a while. But other than that, this is Bass Boy. Please like, comment, subscribe, stuff like that. And comment what colors I should make my bike, and I'm gonna make them. I'm gonna get it powder coated, the most popular colors, and I'm gonna comment to see what kind of parts I should get, and I'm gonna let you guys customize my bike. This is Bass Boy signing out.